In this video, we're going to go over Set Up Priority Inbox. With this feature, it's simple and efficient addition to your Gmail inbox. Priority Inbox is a setting which helps sort your emails according to the following priorities: important and unread, starred, everything else. So to turn this feature on, we're going to go to the Settings wheel right here, and then we're going to click Settings, and we're going to go to Inbox. So click on Inbox. Then we are going to go to Inbox Type, which is right here. I'm going to click on this button right here. And you see how it has default, important first, unread first, starred first, priority inbox. So we're going to do priority inbox. Now, what it does is you can do a couple things here. You can set inbox and important and unread, important, unread, starred, more options. Show up to 50 items. Remove section. So I'm going to keep this the way it is. Same with starred. Empty, it will stay there. Everything else. Inbox unread count. Unread items in the first section. Okay, important markers. Show a marker by message marked as important. And then filter. Filtered mail. Override filters include important messages in the inbox. We don't need to do that, so we're going to keep that checked as don't override filters. So I'm going to save the changes. And we have set up priority inbox. Okay, so we don't have any messages right now, which is great. All right, so I'll see you in the next video.